Dogecoin is one among the entire pool of coins in the market that has high chances of flourishing throughout society. It has been seen that a huge number of people have trusted the coin, and this number keeps increasing as each day passes. This, yet again, indicates the high influence of the community behind the same. Apart from the big names, we have a huge community that supports Dogecoin and stands by it faithfully throughout all the dips and rises. In fact, this is the reason that makes it potentially one of the most used and owned cryptocurrencies in the history of cryptocurrencies in the world. Hello future billionaires, welcome back to another video on this channel. We come up with daily videos on various potential cryptocurrencies to provide you with the best of the news on each one of them. Today we'll be speaking about Dogecoin, and we'll be covering a few of the major updates about the same. Stay tuned till the end to learn more about the latest developments we have seen in the sector. Dogecoin, a coin that started out as a joke a few years back, halted in between as the developers lost hope in its development, but then emerged back into colors as the prices started gaining back, solely due to the community's interests. This was when the developers realized the potential in it, and they decided to step back into the same. Since then till now, we have seen Dogecoin rising all the way to the highest levels. The gain in the past few months that it has from the start of this year has been more than 12,000%. This number's pretty huge compared to other coins in the market. We have a lot of writers and retailers speaking about Dogecoin, and a large part of the awareness leading to an increase in the community has been through the same. Apart from a very few businesses that have started accepting cryptocurrencies as a mode of payment, many places like that of South Korea have other plans. India plans on banning cryptocurrencies from being traded in any manner. This is perhaps a move that could lead to a loss of a huge number of investors, given the fact that India is one of the most populous countries in the world. Keeping that aside, a few other factors like that of the influence from big names is also one of the most important things that could happen to Dogecoin. In today's video, we'll be looking more into these few big names, and we will see how they've been helping in getting Dogecoin to the moon. Jeff Bezos is one of the big names that comes into the mind of each and every person when we speak about billionaires. However, for the crypto enthusiast, he will now be one of the most important figures altogether. The reason for that is the petition that has been filed by the same enthusiasts including Dogecoin as a method of payment in Amazon. This means that we'll be having millions of new users into the Dogecoin platform who will be trading each day to earn a lot more. To make this even better, the purchase that they make using Dogecoin will help Amazon get more revenue as the coins multiply over time. This means that we will be able to see Amazon making even more profits than it's been making in the very recent time. The petition already has more than 200,000 signatures. This means that we have a huge number of people wanting this to happen. The reason why many of them want it to happen is to make Amazon accessible for those who want to make their purchases without having a traditional bank account. Being able to trade in the form of cryptocurrencies will also give them the advantage of using the resources and being able to gain more money in the long term. Jeff Bezos is one among those people who has been working much more closely with the people. Their work has been close to the affected population in various instances. For example, Jeff Bezos has been working very closely with the Indian population and the NGOs to supply more oxygen concentrators, as the country falls in shortage of medical oxygen following the COVID-19 pandemic. One of the main reasons why Jeff Bezos has high chances of making more profits and being able to work more efficiently by using Dogecoin as a mode of payment for his company Amazon is because of the low prices at which Dogecoin's at right now. The amount of money they'll have to invest will be much lesser than the amount they'll have in the case they go for other cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Dogecoin has a much better growth rate. For cryptocurrency, the major part of the growth is based on the markets. Though there's no tangible value present in it, this has been replaced by the market's sentiments. The manner in which each person perceives the potential of a coin is what drives the value. This shifts the entire value-making power of a coin from the government to the people. In today's system for currencies, take for example the dollar. We'll see a huge number of currencies being printed. This brings down the value of the currency by a huge margin. Therefore, the American government and the federal bank have a huge hold on the prices of the dollar. This is not the case for cryptocurrencies. The regulation of the prices is done by the people themselves, through the manner in which they invest. It is the collective interest of the people that drives the prices of the coin higher or lower, therefore making them completely decentralized. This is the reason why Dogecoin has been benefiting so much through its community. The dedication that the community has been showing towards the coin has ensured that they bring forth the potential that this meme-turned coin has. This is where Elon Musk comes in, also referred to as the Doge Father. Elon Musk has been very bullish on Dogecoin in the past couple of months. His influence in the same has also been very critical in the prices of Dogecoin. Each tweet has had more than a 30% change in the prices. This, in fact, represents the degree of reliance the coin has on its community. The coin will develop if the community increases its trust in it, while the coin will go down through the same. Perhaps Warren Buffett criticizes the entire crypto sphere for the same reason. He says that the value is generated out of thin air. There are no chances that we'll see a long future for the crypto world, is what Warren feels. Many might take the recent move by Elon Musk to be one with similar indications, speaking about his withdrawal from Bitcoin. However, we do not feel that this is the case. Elon Musk has still left his choices for cryptocurrencies open, and there are high chances that he might start accepting Dogecoin, as he's not accepting Bitcoin due to the energy that it consumes. The only reason why he lately criticizes the coin is due to the unsustainable energy use that it has. This is not the case with Dogecoin, and Dogecoin is the coin that he loves to the moon. This is also one of the reasons why Elon Musk labeled this coin as the people's currency. Being much more sustainable in nature, we will be able to see this coin being much more practical in terms of the global energy shortage that we could face in the future. A major part of Elon Musk's life has been dedicated to building technologies that are sustainable and will help human beings existing on the face of the earth for a much longer duration. Though his plans also include creating a separate colony on Mars to make sure that even if everything gets destroyed here on Earth, we will see life still existing on Mars, and they therefore could turn into the seeds to bring back humanity. A few years back, these aims could have sounded really insane. However, with the pace of which Elon Musk has been taking Tesla and SpaceX, it seems to be much nearer than we'll think it could be. If Elon Musk and Jeff Bezos get into Dogecoin to bring forth the best out of it, there are high chances that we will see Dogecoin touching the highest marks of $100 and even higher as we move ahead. The development of both these huge forces through 3 companies, that means 3 institutional investments into Dogecoin, all 3 of them being one of the top ones in their own fields, we will certainly be able to see Dogecoin touching the marks higher than the moons and crossing Mars. We hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure you like this video and also subscribe to this channel. We'll be back on this channel with more related videos, so make sure you stay tuned and turn on the post notifications. Till we meet again, make sure you keep learning and spread the best knowledge you attain.